Want to save hours of work every day? Here are 7 powerful ChatGPT prompts that will automate your repetitive tasks, boost your daily productivity, and simplify your everyday workflow. Let's unlock them right now. Prompt number 1, the email writer. Watch it instantly create professional emails, helping you save valuable time and communicate much more effectively. It is that simple. Prompt number 2 is the meeting summarizer. It can convert lengthy meeting notes into clear action items and next steps. This makes team collaboration and remote work so much easier for everyone.
Struggling to find content ideas? Use ChatGPT to generate endless prompts. Instantly fill your calendar with trending topics for all your social media channels. Struggling to simplify complex topics for your research? Use ChatGPT to instantly summarize articles and accelerate your learning process. It is your ultimate research assistant. Struggling to create a structured plan for your goals? Use ChatGPT to break them down into a clear 30-day action plan and track your progress faster. It is your productivity planner. Facing a tough challenge and not sure which way to go? Use ChatGPT to map out your solutions, helping you make the right decision. It is your ultimate problem solver. Overwhelmed by your daily task list? Let ChatGPT organize and prioritize them to instantly create a clear, productive schedule and achieve your goals faster. Want to master AI and boost your productivity? Subscribe to our channel, AI Growth Lab, and never miss a new tutorials faster.